Hi, welcome to our today's lesson again. Okay, we are going to continue with our phrasal verbs. Okay, last time I showed you some example. Okay, today we are going to continue. Okay, let's remember the definition of the phrasal verbs. I told you that the phrasal verbs is a verb that is followed by a particle, and a particle is a preposition or an adverb. Okay, so we are going to continue with the different example. Okay, so today we are going to start with to look. Look means regarder. Look means regarder. Okay, look is regarder. Look out. Look out means faire attention. Look out, fais attention. Look out, fais attention. Look down on, mépriser. Look down on in French is mépriser. Look down on, mépriser. Look for is chercher. For example, I am looking for my money, okay? Or I am looking for my sister, okay? I am looking for my English teacher, okay? Look for means chercher. Look after, s'occuper de. Look after means s'occuper de. Look after, s'occuper de. Look to, compter. Look to, compter. Look to means compter in French. Example, John is looking for his bag. John is looking for his bag. That is, John has lost his bag and is looking for it. Okay? John has lost, for example, his school bag and is looking for that bag. Okay? John is looking for his bag. John is looking for his bag. Now, let's move on the following verb. The following verb is to run. To run means courir. To run is courir. Okay, run out of means in French manquer de. Run out of, manquer de. Run out of, manquer de. For example, run out of time, manquer de temps. I am running out of time. Je n'ai pas assez de temps. Okay? Run out of means manquer de. Run after, faire la cour. Run after means faire la cour. Run after, faire la cour. Run across. Run across means rencontrer or rencontrer par hasard. Run across, rencontrer or rencontrer par hasard. Run across, rencontrer ou bien rencontrer par hasard. Run off with, in French is filer avec. Round off with means in French filer avec. Round off with means in French filer avec. For example, we are running out of time, meaning that we don't have time. Okay? We are running out of time means that we don't have time. I am running out of time. Okay? We are running out of time. Okay, the next phrasal verb is to put. And to put in French is mettre. That is le verbe mettre. Okay, to put means mettre in French. Example, put off. Put off in French is reporter. For example, we are going to put up the English test. Okay, when you say we are going to put off the English test, the students are very happy. Okay, put off is reporting. Put off, reporting. Put on, mettre. Put on means mettre. Okay, put on the light please, or put on the fan. Okay, put on means mettre. Put up with is tolérer. Put up with is tolérer in French. Put up with, tolérer. Okay, put up with, tolérer. Put up against in French means augmenter. If you use put up in another way, it means augmenter. Okay, put up, augmenter. Put aside, économiser. Okay, put aside, économiser. Put aside, économiser. Put out, éteindre. Okay, put out, éteindre. Éteindre if you want stop, to stop the light please. Put out the light means stop the light, arrête la lumière. Okay, put out, éteindre. Put out, éteindre. Put away, ranger. Put away means ranger. Put away, ranger. Example. Example, put on the light please. Put on the light please. Okay, put on the light please. Put on the light please meaning I'm begging you to put the lights. Okay, now the following verb is to see. The following phrasal verb is to see, and to see in meaning in French is le verbe voir. Okay, the meaning of to see in French is voir. Example, see across. See across in French means aider à traverser. See across means aider à traverser. See across, aider à traverser. See off, accompagner quelqu'un qui voyage. See off, accompagner quelqu'un qui voyage. For example, I am seeing off my wife, okay, to Nigeria. Okay, I am seeing off my wife to Nigeria. To see off means accompagner quelqu'un qui voyage. See into, examiner. See into, examiner. See into, examiner. See out, accompagner à la porte. Ok? See out, accompagner à la porte. See out, accompagner à la porte. Example, Caroline saw her brother across the river. Caroline saw her brother across the river. Please. Caroline saw her brother across the river. The next verb is to give. Okay? The verb to give. To give, the simple meaning of to give is donner. Okay? The simple meaning of to give is donner. Example, give in. Give in means céder. Give in, céder. Okay? Give in, céder. Give in to means remettre sa copie d'examen. Give in, the other meaning of give in means remettre sa copie d'examen. Okay? If you have give in two sentences, pay attention to the meaning. They don't have the same meaning. Okay? Give in, céder, and give in, remettre sa copie. Okay? Do not confuse them. Okay, give out, distribuer. Give out, distribuer. Give out, distribuer. For example, the mayor is giving out money to the pupil. Okay? Or the head of studies is giving out money to his pupils. Distribuer. Give out to means s'épuiser. Okay? The other meaning of give out is s'épuiser. Okay? Give out means s'épuiser. Let's continue. Give up, abandonner. That is to abandon. Okay? Give up, abandonner. For example, the pupils are giving up studies because they see that studies are difficult. This is not the case. It is not true. Studies are not difficult. Okay? Give up means abandonner. Okay? Give up, abandonner. Give back means le verbe rendre ou restituer. Give back, c'est le verbe rendre ou bien restituer. Okay? Give back, rendre ou restituer. Example, give me back my money. Okay? So someone has taken my money and I'm asking you to give me back my money. Okay? Give me back my money. Remets-moi mon argent. Give me back my money. Rends-moi mon argent ou bien restitue-moi mon argent. Okay? Don't give up the fight. N'abandonne jamais la lutte. Don't give up the fight. N'abandonne pas la lutte. Don't give up the fight. Okay, the next verb is to bring. And to bring in French is le verbe apporter. Okay? To bring is apporter. Bring up means educate, for example, education at home or education at school. Bring up means éduquer ou bien élever. So, éduquer or élever, okay, are translated by bring up in English. So, in English, when you say bring up means teaching at school, and even education at school or education at home. Okay? Bring up, éduquer ou bien élever. Bring down means faire tomber. Okay? Bring down, faire tomber. Bring down means faire tomber. Bring down, faire tomber. Bring about means occasionate or operate. Okay? Bring out, opérer ou bien occasionner. Bring about, opérer ou occasionner. Bring about, c'est le verbe opérer ou le verbe occasionner. Okay? That is opérer ou occasionner. Occasionner, c'est des synonymes. Bring out, publier. Bring out, publier. Bring out, publier. Okay, bring out, publier. Bring back, ramener. Bring back, ramener. Bring back, ramener. Bring forward, avancer. Bring forward means avancer. Okay, bring forward, avancer. Example. Terrorism in Burkina Faso brought about famine and poverty. Terrorisme in Burkina Faso brought about famine and poverty. Donc le terrorisme au Burkina Faso a occasionné ou bien opéré la faim et la pauvreté. Donc le terrorisme au Burkina Faso a opéré ou bien a occasionné la faim et la pauvreté. Ok? C'est-à-dire le terrorisme a conduit à la pauvreté et à la faim au Burkina Faso. Okay, let's continue with the following and the last verb. Okay, so the last phrasal verb that I prepared for you is to call. And to call, the simple meaning of to call is le verbe appeler in French. If you talk to call, simply speaking, c'est le verbe appeler. Okay. Now we are going to see its other meaning when it is followed by a preposition or an adverb. Okay? Call for means exiger. Okay? Exiger ou bien demander. Okay? Call for means exiger. Call for, exiger ou bien demander. Call for again means appeler. Another meaning of call for is appeler. Okay? Call for, appeler. Okay? For example, the United Nations Organization Secretary General is calling for stopping terrorism. Okay? Or the United Nations Organization Secretary General is calling for helping sick people. Okay? Call for means appeler. Call back, rappeler. Call back means rappeler. Call back, rappeler. Call off, annuler. Call off means annuler. Okay? Call off, annuler. And call up, telephony. Call up, telephony. Call up, telephony. Example, I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes, meaning that I will call you in a few time. Okay, so it is the end of the phrasal verb that I prepared for you, but you have to put in mind that the list I gave you, okay, is not the total list. I have just selected a few examples of phrasal verb for you to learn. Okay, in the total there are numerous too. Okay, here you have to pay attention to the meaning of each phrasal verbs and not make a confusion. And what you have to put in mind is that some phrasal verbs may have a difference in meaning. Okay, they can have differences in meaning. For example, when you take okay, call up, okay, can have a meaning different from another caller. So you have to pay attention concerning the meaning of these phrasal verbs. Okay, if you want here, a technique to master them is to memorize them with their meaning in French. Okay, if you memorize them with their meaning in French, I think that this can help you to make a difference if you want to use them in different sentences. Okay, so pay attention in using them in your different sentences. Okay, and I wish you enjoy this class too, and I congratulate you for following me. Okay, and put in mind that it is not difficult, even if the lesson of phrasal verbs is complex. Don't put in mind that it is difficult. Say that it is easy for me, I'm going to understand. And if you put this into your mind, let me tell you that the learning will be easy for you and not difficult. Okay, so try to learn them. If you have questions too, I am waiting for your question. Okay, for next time. Okay, thank you so much for following me. We shall meet next time for another chapter. Okay, thank you and goodbye and have a nice day. Take care of you. Bye bye.